ultimate mega light. We love it. All right, get ready, everybody. Oh crap, here we go. Oh, yeah. Oh man. Ready? Whee! Twist the air time. And then, oh, regular air time. And then into the shed, out of the shed. Whee! Oh, more air time. That's right, more air time. This ride has more air time than most roller coasters on the planet. Whee! Oh yeah. Woo! Oh God. Why? Woo! Oh, we love it. Oh! The Temple of Juvelen. What does Juvelen mean? It means we're in a temple. I don't know. Oh, crap. They do not look happy with us.
Oh. That guy's so mad he broke his stick.
He's really pissed. Poor guy. Here we go! Woo! Oh! Whee! Oh man! Oh! Oh! Here it comes! Second launch! Through the ruins! Oh! It's twisty!
Very twisty!
Whee! Oh! Ready? Whee! Whee! Oh man! And into the brakes. Woo! Oh, it's flashing lights! Whee! Oh! This ride does not mess around. Woo! Oh, wow! Here we go, guys. Are you ready over there?
Yeah!
All right, here we go.
We're at the top!
We're at the top. We're inverted.
There's dragons!
And there are dragons! Whee! Oh! Woo! Oh, man! Oh! Whee! Oh, I love it! And there's a little bit of airtime there. Whee! Oh! It's twisty! Oh! More dragons! Woo! Oh, wow! Woo! Oh! Oh! And in for a landing. All right, guys, here we are. We're on Thor's hammer. Do we think Hemsworth or Hiddleston are going to show up?
Oh, I hope so.
That would be great, right?
That would be quite the feature.
That would be a bonus of the ride. Which one would you prefer, though?
Yeah, Thor.
I mean, it is his hammer, after all.
It is hammer.
All right, guys, here we go.
Woo!
Oh! Whee! All right, and then we got the wild mouse-ish type of ride. Oh, there is squish on this one. Oh! Ready? Here we go. Oh, God! Oh! This is not a... Oh, God! No brakes, no brakes. Oh, crap, there's no brakes! Oh! Whee! Oh, my God! Oh! Oh! Is this Thor's house we're going into? Yay! Hello, Thor! Goodbye, Thor. You had a very small house. Oh! Over the water! Woo! Oh my God! Well, that was Thor's hammer.
It was Thor's hammer.
I hate to disappoint you, but neither one of them showed up.
Showed up.
They did not. Did they not get the invite? I invited them.
Dang.
Oh well, next time. All right, guys.
It's very Danish.
We're on the pirate boat water coaster ride thingy. Yay! And then there's skeletons. How you guys doing back there? Yay!
He's already dead.
Oh. Is he eating a dead guy? Yeah, there's no fun eating a dead guy. Skeleton. All right. Here we go. Coaster part, then the splooshing part. Hooray! Oh, hello, Piraten. We love you. Goodbye. Hooray! Yay! It's a roller coaster! That's not being a roller coaster. It's gonna become a sploosh! Oh! Here we go! Sploosh! Splooshed! Oh! Ultimate splooshiness! Yay! Oh! That was fun! That was fun! Oh. All right, here we go. We're on the dinosaur roller coaster! Oh no! Do not eat us, please! There's a lot of dinosaurs out here. Oh, we're under the dinosaur! All right, here we go! Hooray! Oh, under the bridge, more dinosaurs! I see 2 dinosaurs right there. Hello, dinosaur. Hello, second dinosaur. Hooray! More dinosaurs! I love me some dinosaur roller coaster. There's another one! Back to the station! Hooray! Oh! And now it's faster dinosaurs! Yay! Oh, under the dinosaur! I love this whole dinosaur theme area. Oh, it's going faster! Second lap of dinosaurs is definitely faster than the first lap. Whee! Oh man. Hello, big giant dinosaur. And there's furry dinosaur over there. And that has completed our dinosaur tour. We are here on the chicken themed roller coaster. They are very excited about this chicken themed roller coaster. We are gonna wander around the garden where there are lots of chickens and tomatoes and other garden stuff. Oh, here we go! I see some tomatoes and corn and chickens. Oh! Hooray! Yay, we've made it back. And see, there's the chickens and they've got eggs. We're coming into their like chicken house. Hooray! Other people are waiting to ride the chicken coaster. See, it is very well themed. Oh, we're going again! Yay! They're very excited about the chicken ride. See, look, there's the chickens down there and they've got corn and tomatoes. These are chickens, they are very well established. They've got their garden. They're very happy. They're good chickens. They just don't want anybody messing with their stuff. And oh my God, here we go. Yay, round number 2 on the chicken ride. Although there's a fox at the front of the train. I think we might be the evil, angry fox that's trying to attack the chickens. I'm not exactly sure what the theme of this is, but we're gonna go with that. All right, I think we are now done with the chicken ride. Hooray! Yay! Here we go! The most intense roller coaster here in the park. That's right. We are riding the kiddie coaster here. Oh my God! Oh! Lap number 1. Here we go. Kiddie coaster lap number 2, because we love this ride so much. Hooray! Yay! Final lap, final lap. Are you guys ready back there? Lots of kiddie coaster. Hands up, everyone! Oh! Whee! Hooray! Here we go, guys! Backseat of Piraten. All right. Oh my God. Oh, I am crapping right about now. Oh God! Oh! Whee! Oh! Oh man! Get ready for it! Oh! Hello, tunnel. Goodbye, tunnel. Woo! 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 Whee! Airtime! More airtime! And in for a landing we go. Woo! First the roller coaster part, then the splooshing part. Hooray! Oh, hello, Piraten. We love you. Goodbye. Hooray! Yay! It's a roller coaster!
That's not being a roller coaster.
It's gonna become a sploosh! Oh! Here we go! Sploosh! Splooshed! Oh! Ultimate splooshiness! Yay! Oh! That was fun!
That was fun!
Oh. Which did you like better, the roller coaster part or the sploosh part?
We got some good sploosh airtime.
We did get sploosh airtime coming through there, right? That's what I thought too. Like we came over that hill and you're like, did my butt just leave the car? And it did. But then we got splooshed. All right. Thumbs up. Good. Good sploosh.